Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome again to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul, learning series by wavesstrategy.com. And I'm going to talk about Tata Motors. You might be seeing a huge rally across Tata group of stocks, Tata Motors, Tata Chemicals, Tata Power, and all of those stocks have been going up and away. And you might be wondering कि suddenly ऐसा क्या हो गया? Why is Tata Motors rallied so much? And what changed in just 3 or 4 days of time? That is your wonder. I'm sure. And you are trying to find out some news, some logical reasoning. कि क्यों rally हो रहा है? Is there something positive? When it is going to come down so that I can buy it? All of those things are going up in your mind, isn't that? Now, if I have to tell you one simple fact, the rally in Tata Motors is because its time is right. So you will say, I'm not sure, he is talking some nonsense. But that is how the stock market moves. It does not necessarily move on the basis of any news or event for a stock to rally. It's just that its time should be right. And if the time is right, the stock moves up. I'm going to share across a very important proof. I'm going to share a proof, I'm telling you, that will give act as an eye opener for you because we timed it together. So yes, the proof is from my Master of Cycles program, which concluded on 10th of October, where we, along with the participants, together we found a cycle on Tata Motors that works exceptionally well. And that is when we decided the stock is in an uptrend and the cycle lows are forming to get into that stock. Let me share across that screen with you that shows the stock that I'm talking about, Tata Motors. If you are able to see this screen, you will be able to see that there has been an amazing rally on the stock. Over here, it was quoting somewhere around 382. Can you see the price on the right hand side of the scale? The price when we were discussing this on 10th of October, which was a Sunday, we were talking about in the Master of Cycles program about this stock, and look at it where it was. It was just breaking out on the upside, and the vertical lines that you are seeing on the chart is nothing but time cycles. We are able to see basis of these time cycles that whenever this cycle low is formed, there has been a huge rally in the stock. You can see that happening over here. You can see that happening here. You can see that happening here. This is the chart which we used during our training program. You can see that sharp happening here. And this cycle was due on exactly this week when the stock rallied for the first time in the first week last year, and when it was at around 383. From that level the breakout was supposed to come. I'm now also going to share across another chart with you which is going to show you that in a zoomed in fashion. So this is another chart which is zoomed in, and that shows you the overall performance and what level we were looking at Tata Motors. It was at this point of time where जहां पर हमने देखा कि Tata Motors is breaking out and within the time cycle positive reversal zone from where it should rally. That is what we looked at. And let's look at after this what happened in just 3 days of time. I'm saying 3 days. Stock is stock was 382, and 3 days of time. Let's go on the chart and check what happened with that stock. From 382, how did that behave? Can you see the screen here? It was at this level of 382. Okay, and just look at that. In 3 days of time, the stock is here 507 from 382. It is up by more than 32% in 3 days. Okay, so what do you think was the reason for stock to go up? Was it any kind of a news that you think resulted into the stock rallying, or you think that the stock rallied because there was a very strong cycle? Let me share that screen again with you so that you are able to understand what I am talking about. So this is the stock which Tata Motors, which was at this level, and the stock then rallied because of the cycle low was formed. After that, sharply on the upside over here. Now that is what results timing it correctly. And it's not me. I'm telling you again, it is not me. It is the participant of Master of Cycles who, along with whom we derived this together. So वैसे ये करना पॉसिबल है. एंड सोचिए अगर आप ये कर सकते हो in just 3 days of 2 days of training, what can you do if you are a part of my mentorship program, which is for 3 months, timing the market together with me for 3 months. So many participants of MOC said, who have been also a part of mentorship, they simply recovered their cost in just 1 day of time. That is possible, right? Only if you are a part of this program of mentorship, you are going to be amazed to see this kind of magic and miracles that people call, and it works only in the markets. It is possible, but you understand the risk also. There is no free lunch. There is always a risk. If you have that risk appetite, if you trade with stop loss, this kind of trades, deriving such trades are possible. It's not very often, but it is easy. It is simple. You have to be disciplined enough to do that. You need to understand the essence of time along with wave, and you don't really need any other method, just an ancillary to confirm your decision making ability, and objectivity is what is required. Also, before I just conclude, I just want to say we are SEBI registered research analysts, and you need to ensure that this investment and trading carries risk, and there is no financial holdings. This is the disclaimer. Please keep that in mind. And I'm going to be ending this quickly now. So look at that stock. It has gone skyrocket. Look at the bank nifty that we talked about. It has worked exceptionally well. Be a part of this program or mentorship, and you can see how do we capture this kind of stocks and how to ride them all the way on the upside. This is Ashish Kyal signing off, and Tata Motors is rallying not because of news or event that you might be thinking, लेकिन Tata Motors का समय सही है, which we call as the time is right. That's why the stock is up. So let's see what will be next that pops up in our time cycle analysis, and you can be a part of that once you are a part of the mentorship in November 2021. Thank you very much. Ashish Kyal signing off.